Okay, guys, we're going to do our buzzing sound today. Ready? Here's our buzzing sound. Remember, this is kind of like our S sound, but our voice is turned on for this one. Ready? So we're going to smile. Our tongue is going to be behind our teeth and our voice is turned on. So it's not, our voice is turned off with our S sound. Our buzzing sound, our voice is turned on. So we're going to smile, tongue behind our teeth. We should feel our neck vibrate. Say it 5 times. Ready? That's a pretty good buzzing sound. Okay, the book we're going to read is called Zach the Lazy Zebra. Did you know that Miss Kinsey loves zebras? They're probably my favorite animal ever. And if you were to go around my house, you could, well, not back here, but you could see lots of zebra things. Miss Kinsey really likes zebras. Okay, ready? Zach the Lazy Zebra. Zach the zebra lives at the zoo. All day long, what does Zach do? He's sleeping. The zookeepers bring a zebra snack, but it doesn't wake Zach. Zach has no zest. He wants to rest. Okay, there's our Z sound 5 times. Ready? My goodness, we sound like so many bees right now. My heavens. Ready? They zap Zach with the garden hose. They bang a drum. They tickle his nose. Zach's eyes stay closed. He wants to doze. Ready? Our Z sound 5 times. Nice job. They try a zillion zany tricks. They hop around on pogo sticks. Good job. Our Z sound. Ready? Nice job. Zach thinks their tricks are boring. He goes on snoring. Look here comes Zed, a zebra with zing. Whoa, Zed looks really happy. Ready? With zing, excuse me. Our 5Z sounds. Ready? Sorry, that light's getting in my face. He zooms and zigzags around everything. Will Zed make Zach wake up and leap? I don't know. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, our 5Zs. Ready? Sorry, I'm trying to figure out what to do with that light. No, now 2 zebras want to sleep. At last the zookeepers give up their schemes. They wish Zach and Zed sweet zebra dreams. Okay, let's do our 5Zs. Ready? Nice job. Now it's time for us to find things. Ready? Okay, so I see a zoo, and I see 2 zebras. This thing is gonna bring it around here so I can see. Let's see. Oh, there's zucchini and ziti. Those are types of foods. What else do we see in here? A zookeeper. There's 2 zookeepers. Lots of things. Okay, let's do our cheer. You ready? Z is for zebra, Z is for zoo, Z is for zucchini and ziti too. Z is for zipper, Z is for zap, Z is for zzz when you take a nap. Hooray for Z, big and small, the zippiest, zaniest letter of all. Nice job, you guys. Okay, let's do our Z sound 5 more times. Ready? Here we go. Or, excuse me, our buzzing sound. Ready? Nice job. I'll see you guys next time for another letter.